How to grow vegetables in a potting soil bag. Growing vegetables in potting soil bags also is known as soil bag gardening. It is a quick way to start a vegetable garden without having to worry about soil nutrients or pH levels. Because adjusting soil levels can be expensive and time-consuming, planting the seedlings directly into the soil bag means they will begin to thrive immediately. In addition, the plastic bag keeps the seeds warm in early spring when there still is a risk of cool temperatures. Things you'll need: scissors, garden spade, vegetable seedlings, water, mulch optional, vegetable seeds optional. Look for an outdoor location in full sunlight, which is best for growing most vegetables. Read the plant label carefully in case the plant grows best in shade, and pick a location accordingly. Place the potting soil bag directly on the ground so it is flat on one side. Puncture the bag with the end of a pair of scissors to create a 1/4 to 1/2 inch diameter slit. Repeat the process to create an additional 8 to 10 holes equally spaced to allow for water drainage. Turn the bag over so the opposite side is facing up, and insert a pair of scissors at one corner about 2 to 3 inches from the edge. Cut around the perimeter of the potting soil bag with the scissors, maintaining the 2 to 3 inch border all the way around. Remove the inner center cutout and discard it. Dig a hole in the potting soil with your hands or a hand spade, leaving at least 1 inch between the bottom of the hole and the bottom of the bag. Insert a vegetable seedling's roots into the soil, and fill in the hole with the potting soil you removed when you dug it out. Pack the top of the soil gently to firm it. Repeat the process to plant up to 4 seedlings per potting soil bag. Only plant 1 seedling per bag for larger plants, such as tomatoes. Water the bag with about 1 pint of water to moisten the soil. Tips: warnings. Cut the soil bag diagonally from corner to corner to create a large X in the top instead of cutting out the center. Fold the flaps back to plant and fold them back over the roots to prevent weed growth and conserve moisture. Spread mulch over the bag to disguise it in your landscape. Plant vegetable seeds in the potting soil, as well as using seedlings.